Canva AI makes you rich in 2025? Join me as I dive into Canva AI and see if it can really make me rich by 2025. Join me as I dive into Canva AI and see if it can really make me rich by 2025. Canva AI is shaking things up in the design and business world. It's a revolutionary tool that not only makes design easier, but also opens doors to potential wealth generation for its users. Imagine being able to create stunning visuals without needing years of graphic design experience. This could change the game for so many people looking to make a living through creative means. Freelancers and entrepreneurs face quite a few challenges when it comes to creating engaging content. They often find themselves spending countless hours trying to whip up graphics, social media posts, or marketing materials that will catch people's attention. The struggle is real, and this time-consuming process often takes a toll on their income. Many end up feeling overwhelmed and defeated, which can stall their creative momentum. The pressure to stand out in a crowded digital landscape can make it so hard to keep up and thrive. Let's be honest, the last thing anyone wants is to spend hours on designs that don't even convert into sales. With Canva AI, the landscape begins to change. The automation features help you streamline your workflow, allowing you to focus more on strategy and creativity rather than getting bogged down in the design process. There are tons of design templates ready to be customized, which saves users precious time and energy. Canva also offers marketing tools that assist in putting your visual content out there, making promoting your business much easier. This means you can spend more time connecting with clients and driving sales instead of wrestling with graphics and layouts. Many users have already experienced incredible success with Canva AI. Take, for example, a small business owner who started using Canva to create eye-catching posts for social media. She was able to grow her online presence significantly, leading to an increase in customer inquiries and ultimately sales. Others have shared that they can now take on more clients because they spend less time on design work thanks to Canva AI. These success stories highlight just how transformative this tool can be for people from all walks of life. As we look toward 2025, it's clear that Canva AI is poised to shape a profitable future for its users. The potential for creating wealth with less effort means that more people can embrace their entrepreneurial spirit and thrive in the digital world. This isn't just a trend, it's a movement towards more accessible opportunities to earn a living through creativity and innovation. I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried Canva AI? What has your experience been like? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips and insights on how to navigate this exciting digital landscape.